Hypermotard is unlike anything you see on the road. Its niche customer base makes it a rarity. The bike looks like a cross between an MX bike and a street bike, with a high stance, a minimalist body and an almost completely exposed frame in true supermoto style. The bike comes in a red and black paint job that is adorned with white graffiti-style graphics splashed across the fuel tank. It also comes with red and black wheels that round out the eye-catching special edition color scheme. The styling may be minimalist, but Ducati has equipped the Hypermotard 950 with everything it needs. The bike comes with LED taillights, LED turn signals and LED DRLs. While it doesn't have an LED headlight and uses a conventional light, the range and spread of the unit is decent. The front end is very similar indeed, with an aggressive-looking headlight and LED DRLs, a short beak that doubles as a mudguard and knuckle guard with turn signals built into it. Ducati has not held back when it comes to equipping the Hypermotard 950 with a range of electronic rider aids. Traction control, wheelie control, engine brake control, cornering ABS and 3 riding modes, urban, touring and sport. The Hypermotard has 2 Coca-Cola-sized exhaust pipes under the seat, which suggests that this is a big bike, even though it may not look like it. Overall, the Ducati Hypermotard 950 looks great, and the build quality is top-notch. Everything on the bike feels solid and well assembled. Also, the handlebars are wide and the pegs are set back slightly, resulting in a very upright and commanding riding posture. Overall, Ducati has managed to get the ergonomics right on this bike. The Panigale-inspired 4.3-inch TFT display can be operated via the up or down button on the switch, which displays a wealth of information.